You're training and he collapses. Take it from there.
Well, Herbert, you good? He's not responding.
Okay.
I should check for a pulse here.
Okay.
10 seconds or something like that.
No more than 10 seconds. Okay? So you don't feel anything?
I don't feel anything.
What are you going to do?
CPR.
Okay?
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I should do that, but I shouldn't go too fast because I should allow blood to flow back into the heart.
Yes. So you want to go in, allow the chest to come back up so that you can feel.
And then after that, if that doesn't work, we call 911. Well, that should have been done before.
Yeah, call 911 immediately. And what else do you do?
Get a defibrillator.
Yep.
If the school has one.
Yeah.
Which we do. Coverage. And then you put the pads on and you follow the instructions, you read everything. And put the pads on and you make sure your body's standing clear. And the bed should remain in water or near any water. And nobody should be touching him. So you just clear. Just clear. You just shut up, and then I think it's supposed to be done for 2 minutes, but then the defibrillator will give you the timer.
Yeah.
It says stop, and then it says administer CPR again. And it goes 1, 2.
So as soon as you shot, go right back into CPR.
So I'm Junior Henry, the assistant coach for St. George's College track team, and the Jaja Foundation was incorporated with St. George's College, assisting us today in doing some ECG and testing for athletes. The foundation really, Jamaicans abroad helping at home. What I think is a good initiative, seeing overseas professionals coming home and assisting young athletes with understanding what are some of the developmental issues that can go wrong when doing sports in general. So it's really a good initiative, and I fully support them 100%.
I think it's quite splendid, sir, because as an athlete, sir, we need to know what's happening in our body, sir. We can't just be doing all of this, sir, and not being aware of what's going on inside, sir.
3, 2, 1, go!
Boom salute to Jaja Foundation.
Hold on, no. Hold on, man. Hold on. Let's do it again.
Boom salute to Jaja Foundation.